Okay, so this recipe is for my friends who are really in hurry and they want to eat really Indian yummy traditional food. So I am making an instant sambar today. I will be using instant pot to make the sambar. So let me tell you what is happening. So I have some cut vegetables here. You don't have to cut the vegetables at home. Go to any store and you can get these vegetables pre-cut. Just get whatever vegetables you want, right? Whatever vegetables you get. I have here pan heating up some oil and I am putting some mustard seed in this. This is not traditional sambar recipe, but this is some instant sambar recipe. So now it is sizzling. I am going to put some curry leaves into that, and now some Indian spices. Okay, nothing major, just turmeric, red chili, and salt. And so it doesn't burn, I am putting some water. Okay, gas is off, electricity off, and now I am putting some sambar masala into this. Again, don't blame me, this is not the traditional recipe, this is a really quick recipe. Okay, so here I have some sambar dal with water. I'm just going to put it into my instant pot, and here it is. Again, this is an instant sambar. I have some vegetables, Indian pumpkin, some capsicum or shimla mirch or bell pepper, tomato, curry leaves, ginger, bottle gourd, daikon, some beans, and little bit of tamarind, seedless tamarind. Doing nothing, just putting everything in the pot. Okay, and on top of it, the tadka that we just prepared. I'm just putting everything in. Now what happens? This goes into instant pot for pressure cook, and then in 30 minutes your sambar is ready. So very quick Gen Z Indian instant sambar recipe. Okay, so see, now our sambar is ready. It is out of the instant pot and the vegetables are almost mushy. See, I can just mush it. I have here Indian style uh, potato masher. We also call it rai, and now I can easily mush the vegetables and you see the steam and the aroma coming. Wow, what a nice aroma sambar, and we can now just enjoy it. So just quick few minutes with the instant pot, I have the sambar ready. Thank you.